It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. It was so much fun having my mom on. And she got a lot of new scents today. I actually gave her her marshmallow pumpkin latte, the moonlit martini, and she was super happy with that. So check it out. I got a box and we are having a flash sale. It's funny. I saw the flash sale email and I'm like, oh, it's probably something like wallflowers. No. Bath and Body Works is doing an online only $5.95 select body care sale tonight, which is really good news because candle sale is still going on, and you get free shipping with any $50 purchase with the code Fall Deals. So if you've been wanting a lot of the new body care, which I have over here, now is the time to get it. So let me talk about this first. Sweet Whiskey. Oh yeah. It looks like the cream and the lotion and the shower gel and the fine fragrance mist. So it's like everything. Plus the men's collection, like the shave cream, the beard and scruff cream. It includes the aromatherapy. What else does the sale include? Let's see. Oh, the water, the Coco Shea, I think, the Halloween. What else is in here? How many products are in here? Oh my goodness, 371. Okay, so this is actually a really, really good deal. I didn't realize how many products. So go figure. I don't know why they didn't do this during Member Appreciation Week. It includes the body spray for the men. So basically, if you want to get an entire set of like the new Moonlit Martini, you can get the mist, the cream, the lotion, and the shower gel. 6 times 4, 24, like 23 and change. This is a really good deal. The hair gel for men. I want to try that, by the way. Like, I'm going to try the hair gel. The daily shampoo for men. Let's see, what else is in here? Just a lot of stuff. Okay, so great sale. Definitely a stock up moment. Definitely a, oh my gosh, I should start Christmas shopping moment. Like I said, you can get, oh, the deodorant is on sale. Flipping through the Coco Shea, lots of good stuff. So anyway, yeah, sale at Bath & Body Works today. Layer in your candles. I'm going to open up my box here. I know what's in here. I know what I got. I got the candles. I think I got 4 candles. Oh, and I got this on sale. I got the, forget, is this a light up or is this just a dangly thing? Does this light up? A glow in the dark. It's the glow in the dark skeleton. Okay, so I got that. Let's unbox some candles. I can smell that radiant red maple or red radiant maple right now. Let me see. Oh, I got the pumpkin spice latte twisted peppermint. Let's see what else I got in here. Open this one up. Oh, I got fresh balsam. I don't know. I got fresh balsam. I was craving this one. Oh yeah. This is the Woodland Balsam, Crisp Eucalyptus, Fir Branch, and Cedarwood. You know why I got this one? I loved the warm apple pie jar so much. I'm like, I'm totally getting this one just because the jar is so beautiful. I love the jar on that one. So that's cool. And then I also got, check this one out. Oh yeah, this is the Radiant Red Maple. I gotta say, I think this is one of my favorite candles of fall so far. I love this one so much. There's just the perfect mix of marshmallow and the maple. A little bit smoky, but not in like a smoky way. I love this one. I think that one is sold out online. What else did I get here? Open this up. Oh, I know what I got. I got my strawberry pound cake. These are the signature ones. I gotta say, I love this jar. This is so pretty. Look, it's like a brilliant hot pink. Oh yeah. Strawberry pound cake. This is the White Barn version. I don't know. This is just so pretty. I might not even burn this one. I just think it's pretty. I like the jar. I like the jar. I think that's really pretty. Okay, so that was my haul. I got 4 candles from the candle sale. I'm actually thinking maybe of doing a small order tonight. I might do it. I might do it, you guys. I haven't quite decided yet because, oh my gosh, the $12.95 sale is kind of calling my name because I do want to get a couple of, actually, I was looking for some shower gel. And I also want to get my mom some more pieces in that marshmallow pumpkin latte because she loved it so much. So I think I might do that. And then you can actually mix in the 50% off stuff, which is really good. So for example, oh my gosh, by the way, I got to tell this story. So I went into my Bath and Body Works, you know, the Snake and Rose soap holder. I went in there. They have at least 50 of those. I actually did a YouTube short yesterday. Why do they have so many of these? They're 50% off, which takes them down to $9.97. And then if you were to happen to have a coupon, it's even better. But even $9.97 is not bad for the Snake and Rose soap holder. It's super cute. I love that one. The holographic portrait frame, the spider web. Actually, the chalice, I think, is one of the best deals. I love that chalice. But if you're looking for, you know, a couple extra things to add in, the Love Always Wins mini perfume spray. This is a luminous, but yeah, add those in. That's a great deal. So this is a very layerable sale because you can get your $12.95 candles, $5.95 body care, and don't forget to shop the 50% off. Get up to 50. Can you imagine? You can get a lot of stuff for $50. And I think these are sold out. Actually, it's funny because they still have yeah, they're sold out. They have the advertisement up there, but when you go there, these are sold out. I'm really digging this. I'm going to do a full-on review pretty soon because this is actually one of my favorite scents now. So anyway, oh my gosh, you guys, flash sale. Let me know what you're shopping for tonight. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.